Welcome to another Cards Field Turf episode on the Compass 77, and here we have a starter pack. This is the Panini Adrenalyn XL FIFA 365 2020, and this is it. The starter pack. I got this in Poland. It's quite big, these, so I'm gonna hold it like this. It's got the binder. It's got the guide. For the game, it's got the play pitch. Here you've got 6 packs. You've got 3 limited edition cards, 1 card for the online game, and a poster, a checklist poster. And yeah, that's what we're going to open up in this episode. This was $49.90. Polish zlotys in Poland. And because of that, I also got an extra pack. So we've actually got 7 packs to open today. Yes, this was the freebie pack, and I chose the Lewandowski. But let's open this. Let's get started. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let's open it with scissors. Got my scissors ready. Ah, that's nice. Oh, we got Mbappe. So that's one of the limited edition cards. Mbappe. Okay. So we'll start with. Okay, that's nice, isn't it? I'll just check just to see the others. Okay, we're just gonna twit. I don't want to show all of them straight away. Here's what the other one, and there's the other. Oh, that's the coins one. There's another one, and here. Okay, so now it's time for the packs. Yeah. And here. Oh, there's still one more. There, and that's everything. Yeah, everything. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we had our extra one. That was going to be the last one to open today. In this episode, let's put that there. Okay, so we'll keep that one there. Quickly have a look at this game board. This is the game board. That's nice. It's quite nice. It's a nice game board. Here you've got the formations that you can play. Different type of card. This is how you can tell what kind of card you got on the back of the cards. If you got all of that on the back of the card, you know you've got the invincible card. Team name, manager, best player, games won, games lost. Okay. Alright, that's quite cool. This is the checklist. This is the checklist here with the rare cards there. That's the number 1 invincible cards. Got the Chelsea, Liverpool, Manchester City, Manchester United. I'm looking for one player in particular here. Is he there? I thought he was in there. Oh, there he is. 67, Daniel James. That's a card that I really would like. Daniel James card. We'll see if we can get that card. I was going to go through all the teams. Atletico de Madrid, Barcelona. You've got Real Madrid, Olympique Lyon, Paris Saint-Germain, Bayern Munich, Borussia Dortmund, Schalke. And the other side you've got Inter Milan, Juventus, Napoli, Ajax, River Plate. That's nice. Palmeiras. And then you've got a power up with the goal stoppers, defensive rocks, key players, and game changers. Here you've got the multiple cards, dynamic duos, power trios, and here you've got gold cards. Here you've got from the Women's World Cup, France 2019 winners. So these are the USA players. Here you've got Portugal, winners from the Nations League. Yep, they won it. And Copa America Brazil 2019 winners. The Brazilian players, basically. Yay, okay. And what's this? Some book here as well. This is the official guide. Okay, so but we won't be opening that because I don't want to give away how the cards look. Sometimes you can flick through them. And okay, what's this? And this is the binder. Oh, that's with the numbers that you can stick in the corners or somewhere. But I'm not going to do that, I don't think. I'm just going to leave that like it is. And, I mean, they do help, but I don't really use that. Oh, hang on, let's just keep that like that for now. Yeah, well, I'm thinking about maybe switching to another view for this part, you know. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is better, and we got 3 picture-like combinations on these packs. Got Sancho, Hazard, and Thiago Silva on one. Here we've got Tadic, Alcantara, and Firmino. And on this one we've got Koulibaly, Lewandowski, and Messi. And before I do, this was the Mbappe limited edition cards. And just before we get into the first pack, I'll just show you this card. This is that, I think this is online coins card or something like that. So yep. Alright, so let's start with the Hazard card pack. Hazard pack. Just a reminder, I do open these with scissors because I just think it helps with, well, trying to get the cards out of these packs without actually kind of damaging them, because sometimes they do get a bit damaged while you just remove this. So okay, so okay, so here's Philippe Coutinho. Here's Coutinho still in the Barcelona kit there. Of course, now he's at Bayern Munich. Here is Axel Witsel. Here we have Schürrle. Here we have Enzo Perez, Rafael Varane, and we have Quincy Promise. Fans, this is an impact signing. Fans cards. Nice, very nice indeed. Okay, let's put that on to the side. And now let's go with this one. Okay, this one, I'm going to open it from this side. What was that? Okay, there it is. Okay, so here we have Marquinhos or Marquinhos of Schalke. Here we have Arkadiusz Milik of Napoli and Poland. Arkadiusz Milik. Here we have another Quincy Promise. Okay, have another Quincy Promise, and here we have Abby Dahlkemper. Women's USA team that won the World Cup in France this year. Number 7. Okay, and here we have Dusan Tadic, teammate card, and Emerson of Chelsea. All right. Okay. Here we got Hazard pack. Okay, so here we have Gareth Bale, teammate. Douglas Costa, also teammate cards. Here we have a fan's favourite Azpilicueta of Chelsea. Toni Kroos, Real Madrid. Here we have Marquinhos. And we have Tagliafico of Ajax. Okay, so we've got a final. So these ones are, some of them you can feel the cards that you can't really. Okay, got to open them this side. Okay, so open this pack and we'll see another limited edition card. What we've got? We've got Daverson of Palmeiras teammates. So that's Felipe Melo's teammates. Here's that name again. I don't know how you pronounce that. That's a fantastic last name though. Here's Douglas Costa again. Here is the Atletico de Madrid badge. Here we have a multiple power trio, Matip, Van Dijk and Gomez. These cards are really nice. And we have Bernat of Paris Saint-Germain. Really nice. Okay. And let's have a look at our next limited edition card. It's Skriniar of Inter Milan. Okay. And now it's time for our final 3 packs. The Lewandowski packs. And we'll see what we can get. What cards we can get here. There he is. Here we have Fred of Manchester United. Really nice. There. Here we have Mario Rui. Here we have Schurz. And here we have 2 cards, I believe. Okay, here we have Pedro cards. That's Pedro. And we have a Fernandez, fans' favourite. And we have a dynamic duo, a multiple card, Kimmich and Alaba of Bayern Munich. Okay, so let's see what we can get in this pack now. We'll see. Have a look. See if we can get something, some really good cards in here. Might do. Okay, so here we have Juan Fernando Quintero, teammate card. Here we have Sol of Atletico de Madrid. Here we have Ponzio, fans' favourites. Here we have Alisson, a goal stopper card, a power-up goal stopper card. It's quite nice as well. And here we have Luis Suarez of Barcelona. And we have another Emerson cards. Alright. And now it's time for our final pack, our extra pack that we got, as well as our limited edition cards. And so, for some reason, I'm actually more curious about what's inside the packs. Let's have a look at this limited edition card. It's Neymar Jr. limited edition card. Okay, so a quick recap of our limited edition cards. And this card, this is a coin card. Skriniar, Mbappe, I like that one. That card. So, okay, so 2 Paris Saint-Germain players, an Inter player, and this card. Very good, very good. And so now let's open this extra pack that we got. It's quite fortunate. Right, so here goes. Will this be a very good pack? It is! It's already a great pack because it's Jesse Lingard. Whoa, Jesse Lingard. Beans, beans, beans. Hey, number 77. It's number 77 card, Jesse Lingard. I'm happy. Definitely happy with that. Hey, and here's Alisson of Liverpool. Here we have Boating of Bayern Munich. I'm gonna just put these the two next. These two are there. We got a Filippo Melo again. We got a Filippo Melo. I like this card. I like this card a lot. Oh wow. Maybe not enough to be the card of this episode. That might go to Jesse Lingard, but definitely, I really like this card. I really do. I got it in a recent video as well. Maybe you've seen the mini tin video. That's hence got these cards in there. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Okay. So now final two cards for this episode is I'm going to be Bruno Enrique, fans' favourites, and a multiple Manchester City power trio: Stones, Laporte, and Otamendi. Real shame about Laporte, the injury that he's got. I hope he comes back really quickly. Yeah, but not bad, not bad. Okay, well, I'm going to name this. This is the card of the episode, definitely. Jesse Lingard, not Daniel James, but I also like Jesse Lingard. And yeah, it could have been Juan Mata, could have been Jesse Lingard, and it is Jesse Lingard, so I can't be disappointed with that. His teammate here, Marcus Rashford, also there. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this episode. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Notification bell to stay up to date with everything to come for 77 and Cards Field Turf related. And I hope to come back with another video very, 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 very soon. Take care. All the very best. Bye-bye.